Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Unity Cloud Build membership, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Unity Cloud Build membership, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Unity website. Log in to your Unity account using your credentials. Once logged in, access your account settings. Look for the organization section on your dashboard. Select the organization associated with your Unity Cloud Build membership. Go to the Billing tab within the organization settings. Locate the Manage Subscription option in the Billing section. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation process. Read any additional information or warnings that may pop up. Confirm your decision to cancel the membership. Once confirmed, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email for a confirmation of the cancellation. Keep an eye on your billing statements to ensure no further charges occur. You have now successfully canceled your Unity Cloud Build membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.